Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Cloudflare DNS records from backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Cloudflare DNS records from backups, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the domain for which you want to restore DNS records. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the DNS tab. Take note of the existing DNS records displayed on the page. If you haven't made a backup yet, now is the time to create one. To create a backup, you can export your current DNS records by using the appropriate feature in Cloudflare. If you already have a backup file, locate it on your device. The backup file is typically in a CSV or JSON format. Now return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the option to import DNS records. This option is usually located near the export function. Upload your backup file by selecting it from your device. Once uploaded, the system will parse the file for DNS records. Carefully review the parsed records to ensure they are correct. If necessary, make any adjustments to the records before restoring. Confirm the import process to begin restoring the DNS records. Wait for the process to finish, which may take a few moments. Once completed, verify the DNS records displayed on the dashboard. Check each record to ensure they match the intended backup. It may take some time for changes to propagate across the internet. Monitor your DNS settings regularly to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, refer to the Cloudflare support resources for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.